This is a review for this foldable storage box. It's called a trunk organizer. We're actually using it for a different reason. We're using it as a camp kitchen storage box. There's not really a lot of clasps to it. These clasps are more for folding it up and keeping it compact, which we don't really ever do. Everything else is kind of Velcro. You can remove this top entirely and take it off. And then you can see there's several compartments here. So if you don't want to use this side, you can collapse it. If you don't want to use this side, likewise, you can collapse it as well. We're using it to keep all of our dishware in here and camping supplies for our kitchen, essentially. Some silverware, keeping some other tools in here, some soaps and some cleaning tools. It's really been great. It's really easy to clean. If you do spill something in here, you just kind of wipe it down because it's like this nylon material here. And the fact that it just doesn't weigh a lot, it's not a hard plastic container that can get broken. It's not rough around the edges. There's all kinds of storage spots on the outside of it as well. If you need a quick place to put something real quick, these are all on the side. There aren't any on this side, although there is a strap here. You could tie it down to something. A tab here on the side as well. You could anchor it down in another way, if that made sense. There is a handle on each side as well to help you carry it. On the other side, there are Velcro sealing smaller side bags here, so you want to keep things from falling out. On the other side is a whole other set of those slide things that are more like the mesh. This is the way that you would collapse it. So if nothing was in here, you'd pull this side together, click it together, and that side would stay in. Then if you want it all closed and fold it up entirely, you would fold it all up and connect these two outer ones on both sides, and you would have a collapsed storage bin that can keep just handy in your trunk or car or wherever you want to store it. When you happen to need it, you can just take it out and open it up and use it. This thing is great. I love the fact that it's just easy to close with the Velcro on each side. Nothing really bounces out of there. It's been a great storage bag for us.